kitchen. We are making scones. Now, I don't know if you all remember, but last week we made clotted cream. And I told you we were gonna make scones to go with that clotted cream. So that's what we're doing today. So this is an easy recipe, really quick and easy. There's a lot of scone recipes out there. This one is just your plain basic scone. You can add fruit. You can add fruit to them if you want, or raisins. I'm just doing plain. But if you're gonna do like, say, raisins or dates or something, you would add a fourth of a cup of that. Or if you're doing like strawberry, you can cut them in half. Like, get the strawberry, cut the stem and cut them in half and get a fourth of a cup, and you'll do it as soon after you, mix everything up. But today I'm just gonna do plain scones. So let's get started. We're gonna start with 400 grams of self-rising flour. Remember guys, self-rising. We're just gonna put it in here so we can sift it. And today, actually for this recipe, we're not gonna break out the mixer or anything else, you guys. We're gonna do everything by hand. And since we're doing by hand, y'all, please do not forget to wash your hands. Even if it's for family, we don't wanna forget to wash them. Now, for this one here, you're gonna have your salt, your baking powder, and, hold on a minute, and sugar. You don't have to add sugar, but that's just if you want it a little bit sweetened. You know how us Americans, we love our sugar. So, sorry about that, guys. We're just gonna mix it up a little bit. And the next thing we need to do, and I don't know how I'm forgetting this, y'all, but I forgot the butter. So let me go get it. Girl, y'all, I must be getting old because I don't know how I forgot the butter. Anyways, we got our butter. I already cut it up. It don't have to be in perfect cubes. I just cut it up or whatever. Now, what we're gonna do is just mix this in. I'm just squeezing so I can blend in the butter. Oh yeah, and remember, you want unsalted butter because we did put salt in here, and you want cold butter. So that's why I had cut mine up and put in the refrigerator, which is probably why I forgot it, because it wasn't out on the cabinet. But we're just gonna keep doing this until it looks like crumble like cornbread. So I'll keep doing this and then I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, you guys, we got the butter in here. So now we're gonna add the eggs, which I scrambled up. It's 2 eggs, you guys. Put that in here. And we're just gonna add, this is a half a cup. Okay, remember when we made the clotted cream and there was like a little bit of liquid left over? You can use that for this here. Or if you don't have that, you can use milk or whipping cream. So this is half a cup, but we're just gonna put enough in here. I'm not gonna put it all at once because I wanted just to get it moistened. That's about it. Nothing else because I don't want it too wet. So we're just gonna stir this up. That's what I said, see? You don't need your mixer. So we're just gonna do it a little bit at a time, guys. So I'm gonna... Hey, you guys, I mixed in all the ingredients. I'm just here, just barely kneading it. I just wanted to get it to bind together. That's all we really want. We don't want to overdo it. So what I'm gonna do is, let me get it rounder. Roll it out, you guys. And you only want it to be like 3/4 of an inch or inch thick. You wanna give plenty of room to rise. And don't forget your cutter. That's about almost 3 inches, I believe. So it just depends on you if you want yours really thick. I mean, not really thick, really big or really small. So if you want them smaller, you would of course get a smaller one. Just put a little bit more flour on here, guys. Probably see my sink of dishes over here. Okay, now I'm gonna cut these. See, and I'm gonna work. We're just gonna put them here. See. Okay. Okay, you guys, now I'm just gonna brush the tops with some whipping cream. You can use egg wash if you want. Really just whatever. I like whipping cream. And then we're gonna cook these in a 400 degrees preheated oven for 15 minutes or till they start to get golden brown. So I will see you in 15 minutes. Guys, these are done. In my oven, it took like, what, 20 minutes, Ariana? And so this is our first time trying this recipe because I'm still looking in my boxes for my recipes, you guys. I haven't unpacked everything. So to me, these here were like the ones I did thicker than, what is it, an inch, Ariana? So, and this is how I really want them to turn out. So we're gonna go, they're still hot, so see, you can see the steam from them. See that? So let's come over here. So I just want to see how it tastes. It's better still, it's still hot though, so I can't really taste it. Hold on a minute, guys. Let me get this to cool down a minute and I'm gonna come right back. Guys, it's cool now. Oh, I'm just breaking out, I'm so sorry, y'all. So now, this is the clotted cream that we made last week, remember? So, whether you put the clotted cream on first, y'all, some of y'all gonna think I'm wrong. Got my jam. I like raspberry, you guys, so going with the raspberry over here. You can use strawberry, whatever. Now, what I'm gonna do for those of you all who prefer it this way, I will put this one here with the jam first. So you can say we're not picking sides, okay? And we still get our clotted cream. Look at that yummy goodness, guys. Just put it over there. Okay. So. It's good. It's really good, you guys. Really, really good. Just when you roll it out, let it get a little bit thicker than an inch, so then it can rise up higher or whatever. But all in all, love it. We'll keep it, and just try it, you guys. Whether you have the jam on top or not. But anyway, thank you for joining me, y'all, this week at Mom Don's Kitchen. And come back next week to see what we're doing in my kitchen. Bye, y'all.